Welcome to the RIS control system. Let me guide you through the operation process. First, please confirm that middleware is enabled. After confirmation, enter your account credentials to log in. Once logged in, click Device Control to scan for devices. When scanning is complete, select your device and wait for initialization. Next, let's adjust the distance from source to RIS to 1 meter and observe the pattern changes. Great, now let's adjust the incident angle theta and observe the pattern changes. After adjusting theta, now we'll adjust the incident angle phi. Once done, let's reset the incident angles to 0. Now we'll start adjusting the reflection angles, beginning with theta. After setting theta, let's adjust the reflection angle phi. After completing the reflection adjustments, reset these angles to 0 as well. Now, I'll show you how to import custom patterns. First, click the Import button. Let's start with a file where all RIS elements are off. Then import again, this time selecting a file with all RIS elements on to see the difference. Now, let's import the vertical stripe pattern to observe different pattern effects. Finally, let's complete our pattern demonstration by importing the horizontal stripe pattern. This concludes our guide to the RIS control system. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the TMYTEK team at sales@tmytek.com.
Remember to subscribe, like, and ring the bell.